Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny, and in this video I'm going to be blow drying my hair using my Dyson AirWrap. So if you are interested in seeing how I get my hair to look like this from wet to dry with my Dyson, go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighties. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I promised, I am doing my another Dyson video. So this time I'm drying my hair out with my Dyson tool. The last video you guys saw about Dyson was me unboxing it because it was one of my Christmas gifts. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Ooh, now I have my hair in a ponytail, so let's toss this over there. So I just finished washing my hair. This hair is cold. I should have put some on my shoulders, but my hair is still wet and I don't want to throw on the shirt and then it get wet and then I have to change it out because I ain't got time for that. But yeah, I washed my hair. I had deep conditioner on it yesterday till this morning. Then I washed it out, obviously. And I currently don't have anything in my hair right now. I'm just trying to detangle it really quickly. You feel me? Alrighty, I think my hair is like freezing because we're getting frozen because of this. Así es de frío que está. Que mi pelo se está frizando porque así es que está de frío. So in my hair, I'm going to just drop these little drops on my hair to stimulate some growth. Oh, oh, oh. I was watching Housewives. My favorite Housewives is New Jersey. I don't know why. I feel like they're the most relatable to me. What's your favorite housewife? I know there's a bunch of them. Like Potomac, I know is a new one. I haven't seen that one. My second favorite, if they're not giving Jersey, is what is it? Is Orange County. So now I'm just using as a 10. Just putting a little bit of this on my ends. This smells so good. Like, I feel like there is a difference in the smell from this one and the original one. But this one smells so Gucci. I could leave my hair just like this and just call it a day. Hey guys, we're done. Nah. So now I'm going to put a little bit of my leave-in Olaplex. This is the number 6. I'm gonna just put a little tiny bit of this at the ends because my ends they still are processed. So I just, you know, I gotta give them a little extra love, you know, a little extra moisture. The star of the show is back in action. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna use the round brush to do my hair. I know a lot of people say to air dry your hair with the other attachment. And then start styling it, but with my hair, if I try to dry it out first and then style it, the style won't stay. I have to dry it as I'm styling it. So that's what we gonna do. I just sectioned off my hair in the back and this is what I'm gonna work with. You can't even tell I have like blonde in the tips anymore. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with this section and then I'm gonna just start brushing it So you guys see, so I have this section off, and then that's the first piece. You see how shiny that is? Like, that's not even wet, that's like literally shine. And the ends look hydrated. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other part. And I kept it really close to my roots because if my roots dry out before I get to it, it's gonna dry out curly. So I try to keep it as close to my roots as possible, and it's so far pretty good. Like blow drying curly hair, like, you know, you have to stretch out them roots because that shit look crazy if you don't. What I'm doing is I'm putting the wand in the back, and then I'm just wrapping the hair around and then bringing it down so it can dry like that. This is this section, and my roots is dry. See? And we're gonna keep on with the same technique till it's all dry. So I'm gonna just speed this part up. Done so far so good. Now we're gonna start doing the top. So the top, I'm gonna start from the back, but I'm gonna be blow drying it forward just to create volume.
got that on camera?
What you want, ho?
You got that on camera?
Yes.
Oh man. That was fucking funny.
You done? Look, come look at the back of my hair. Is it dry?
Bullshit.
It's dry, right?
Turn your head. Is it dry? Yeah, but it's still kind of wavy. You're gonna have to.
Wavy where? At the top?
In the roots.
Oh my god.
No, not a lot.
Where?
Like right here.
Here?
Just yeah, it's like literally one more go through, like just right here. Did you get this part?
Yeah.
Like,
I'll try to get it again. I gotta go and wet this part a little bit, so I'll be right back. And I'm back. What if I go outside like this? Alright, so now I'm just gonna again just blow dry this forward to then push it back, and then this little thing I'm just gonna dry it on the side. I don't know why. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look like I promised you guys. Sorry if there was like extreme lighting in the beginning and now there's like no lighting at the end because the sun was like out throughout the whole video. But this is what my hair looks like. From start to finish, this is what it ended up looking like. From wet to dry. I love this bouncy thing, because this was something that I was never able to like fully achieve with the blow dryer. So yeah, like that swift, that volume, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah. I can't stop touching my hair. I'm gonna make it greasy before anything. But yeah, this is when my hair turned out, and I loved it. Like I said, I kept using that technique where I was putting the Dyson in back of the hair and then wrapping it around and then stretching it out and just emphasizing at the end. And then when I did that, like when I would wrap the hair, I would just make sure I'm stretching out my hair so that my roots could really get straight, because I have curly hair. So if you don't do that to your roots, or well, if I don't do that to my roots to stretch it out really good, my roots are gonna be all wavy and stuff. So as you guys saw, like he said earlier, that it was looking a little bit wavy because I had missed a spot, so I just had to go over it again. So yeah, but yeah, I love my results. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how I do my hair with the Dyson from wet to dry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at SmackTalkDanny, and I'll see you guys in the next one.